Welcome! There has been a new gear motor released from design that I would like to investigate. After locating it, I can investigate the BOM, attachments, and history. I can easily locate the gear motor assembly with a quick search. The Overview tab is directly tied to the BOM on the left. As I select various parts or sub-assemblies on the left, my information on the right is automatically updated, eliminating the need for me to open up separate individual parts. On the BOM, I can easily interact with the structure to collapse and expand the various levels, search and filter for information, and even change the layout. The History tab shows the previous revisions of my actively selected item. Additionally, I can easily see the change history that the data has been involved in. The NX Properties page gives a concise list of the conduit covers properties and any incoming relationships from NX. With the Where Used tab, I can easily understand where parts are used within an assembly, or if they are used in other assemblies. I can use this for impact analysis. Using Teamcenter X, I was able to easily investigate the gear motor assembly using the various related tabs. If you're curious to know more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial that you can access by clicking on the free trial button located at the bottom right corner. Give it a try and see how it works for you.